Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Nicole coming to you guys with another video, and today I'm going to be doing a video, not like a how-to video of how to do mini twists, just kind of the importance of doing mini twists. Before I get started, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel and make sure you like the video at the end once you watch the full thing. I know every time I get on here I look a little crazy, but literally I just rinse my hair out and put my little t-shirt on it so that way I can be ready to go. So for this video, again, I'm not gonna be talking about how I'm gonna do it, but I am gonna show you the products I'm gonna use. I'm just gonna use my Camille Rose. This is actually another thing. I need to take the thing off. I'm gonna be using Camille Rose Almond J Twist and Butter. This stuff for mini twists and twist outs is perfect. Like, it puts so much moisture back into your hair. It's like a thicker butter, so it has like a little bit of hold, but this is perfect. And then in my spray bottle I have the, oh, I think I need some more water, it's a little thick, but I have the Kinky Curly Not Today natural leave-in detangler. So I'm just gonna get started and I'm gonna talk through. It's going to be a fairly quick video, again, because I mean they're literally just small twists video. So for my twists, I think I'm going to do let's do a side part actually, so that way I can style them. So I'm not gonna do 4 sections. I'm just gonna kind of just part across and go, because I don't want it to be split in half, because again, I'm going to be wearing my hair like this. The parts do not have to be 100% perfect. I mean, if you're a perfectionist, then by all means do what you need to do. But for me, my parts don't need to be 100% perfect. After a few days, you'll barely see them. This section might even be a little big. Actually, it'll be okay. So I'll show you guys how I do like the first few, just so you guys have an idea. So I just spray my hair with my leave-in conditioner, and then I go in with the Denman brush, and I brush that leave-in through. And then I brush the leave-in through, and then I just use my finger. Actually, I'm gonna use the comb. And I'm just gonna use the comb just to part it down. Again, it doesn't have to be perfect. So this here is gonna be about the size of my first twist. And then what I'm gonna do is take my twisting butter. Kind of smells like Play-Doh. I don't know. But I'm gonna take my twisting butter. And once I get about here, where I have like a little bit, maybe about 1 inch of hair left, I'm just gonna coil it around my finger, so that way it has a curl at the end. So that is just how I do my mini twist, and I'm gonna do that all over my head. I'm gonna try to make sure that the sizes are about the same, but I mean, it is what it is. If they're not the same, I don't really care that much. So this row, I'm probably gonna do about 4 or 5 twists. I don't know yet, but let's get into why I do mini twists. So I think mini twists are really, really good for hair growth. I think that they're a very, very good protective style. They don't have any tension. So like, I'm all for like box braids. If I could wear box braids all year round or knotless braids all year round, I would do it, trust me. Like, I love it. I love braids. I love not having to do anything to my hair. All of that, but still, even with like knotless braids, I still feel like they say that they're tensionless, and yes, they are a lot lighter than box braids, but I just feel like all those like braids, anytime you gotta like add hair, anything that weighs your hair down or adds tension to your hair is literally like pulling on your hair, which is in a sense like pulling your hair out. Like, I don't know, I'm just gonna say that for me. Like, I've taken braids out, my ends will look bad just because like they've been rubbing against the extensions or whatever the reason may be. So I think mini twists are just like the perfect protective style. Like, They're super quick. They can last you, I think they can last you like up to 2 weeks, maybe even longer. For me, I usually just keep them in for about a week. Just because when my hair gets dirty, like my face starts to break out. Like, I don't know if you guys seen my last video, and I don't know if you guys can see this here. But, so, two videos ago, I say like, it was like a time ago, but 2 videos ago, I got a silk press. And that was about 2 weeks ago. And then I kept my hair straight for about a week. And then after a week, I did the flexi rise, and I didn't wash my hair for another week. So it's been about 2 weeks since I washed my hair. And when I do not wash my hair, like in a timely manner, my face starts to break out. And don't nobody want no broken out face. Like, I don't know about y'all, but I do not want my face to be broken out. So I only keep mine in. I say all that to say I only keep mine in for about 5 days, and then I'll do like a twist out, and I wear the twist out for like 2 to 3 days, and then after that I'll just end up washing my hair. During quarantine, this was the hairstyle that I was doing. Like, because my job only had us going to work for a few days a week. It was like we went to work for like 3 days a week, and then we were off for like 6 days. So, or we worked for 6 days, and then we were off for 6 days. So, best believe I was not doing my hair all the time. And this style was perfect for that. Like, go to work with my little twist in, put in a little style, and I would just call it a day. Like, so it's just perfect for that. And I do believe that that's why my hair has grown so much during like this quarantine. Even just over the past 2 years, doing protective styles like minitwist, I'm telling you, like they will just change your life. Like, I'm also gonna insert a picture of like my hair growth that I've had over the past 2 years of doing styles like minitwist. I mean, again, don't get me wrong, I have done box braids, I have done you know, different types of hairstyles, but again, I'm just gonna keep saying it. This right here, this is the best one. You can do it yourself. It's cheap and it's easy. Y'all know braids, they be costing $200, $300, and I don't know about y'all, but I don't got time to pay that every time. Like, if I can do it myself, trust me, I'm gonna try to do it myself. I say all that to say to just do whatever works for you. Don't just try to just take advice from anybody. Everybody's hair is different, so different things will work for different people. If you want your hair to grow, though, I can tell you this for sure, sis, put down the heat. Like, just take a break, take a short break, and I promise your hair, it will just make the world of difference. I'm telling you, I'm a person that used to flat iron my hair and straighten my hair every week, every 2 weeks, just like clockwork. And I mean, once I realized how healthy my hair could be without the heat, it was a game changer. So just try it for a little bit. Try to go no heat for 1 month, and then just see how you do. I'm not saying to just put it down forever, but just try it. here you can see the video is getting ready to come to an end. I'm working on my last few twists at this point. I apologize in advance. I had originally planned to record how I styled the mini twists, but I ended up not styling them. Like, I literally just put them back into a ponytail for like 4 days because I didn't go to work and I really didn't leave the house. So with that being said, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video since you made it this far, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Hey, I'm back. I'm gonna put a quick picture in here of how I did style them. I did do half up, half down style for like the first 2 or 3 days, so I'll put that right here too.